What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and today we're going to be removing the silver trim garnish piece on the center console of a third generation Honda Fit. There's already a video on my channel on how to remove the center console, so we're just going to gloss past this really quick. Plus mine has already been moderately modified, so it's a different process of removing it than your stock Honda Fit. Now that the center console has been removed, let's remove the centerpiece. First, we're going to have to remove our cup holders. I do think I filmed how this looked before I cut it up, so you'll see exactly how it looked beforehand. With the screw removed, let's flip our console over. See, we got 3 tabs along the bottom, and then you should have 2 or 3 on each side. It looks like 3. Pop those out. With the cup holder and storage space now removed, we can now remove the silver garnish piece. First, we're going to have to remove the shift boot. Let's flip it over. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 screws to remove. One tucked in there. Now there's 4 tabs, one located in each corner to pop out the shift boot. There's the other screw. Now to remove the silver garnish piece, there are 10 tabs total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 2 pull-out tabs toward the bottom. I'm going to pop these out, flip it around, and then show you the ones located toward the bottom. Got a large flathead screwdriver to pop these out. Start in the center and work your way downward. Shit. There we go. See our tabs, and then these are the long ones on the back. So when you pop it out, then you have to slide it out. And that's how you remove the silver trim piece or garnish on a center console on a 3rd generation Honda Fit. Now let's put it back together. Slide it in on both sides. And then make sure all the tabs are inserted. Don't have them pop over. Secure. Slide it in. snap them in place. Make sure to push it underneath the 4 tabs before screwing it down. Now nice and secure. Now if you have cup holders and would like to reattach those, now is the time to do it. Snap it back into place and reinsert the screw. I'm going to take mine out since I am not using it. Put the screw back into place so I don't lose it. And let's go throw the center console back in. And that's how you remove the silver trim or garnish piece on a center console with 3rd generation Honda Fit. Thank you for watching.